All right, Barry. Here you go. Here is your 2011 Heroes and Prospects baseball hits. Good luck. Kind of an interesting little product here. Not sure what the big hit is you're after out of this product. I'm just in general. I don't know the checklist all that well. Jordan Akins, Heroes and Prospects auto. Tanner Scheppers, In the Game Lumbergraphs auto. No numbers. Marcus Littlewood auto. Not numbered. Jared Cozart auto. Getting a little bit better. And a Between the Seams auto, Arodys Vizcaino. It's kind of neat looking. That one is not numbered. There you go, Barry. Thanks, Mary. Very interesting. They are prospects, all right. You get some of these black golds printed off. I believe packs are open. Check real quick. Whenever you guys are ready, we can start on this black gold too. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna hit in some of that stuff.